Tired of manually typing in your bank details every time you want to connect an app? Plaid makes connecting your bank account a breeze, and in this video, we'll show you how to do it securely in under 90 seconds. First, you'll encounter a prompt within the app you're using, asking you to connect your bank account. Look for the Plaid logo, or a button that explicitly says Connect with Plaid. Tap on it. Next, Plaid will present you with a list of banks. You can scroll through the options, or use the search bar at the top to quickly find your bank. Start typing the name of your bank. Plaid's search functionality is pretty intuitive. It should surface your bank quickly. Once you've selected your bank, you'll be directed to a secure login screen that looks just like your bank's website or app. This is important. You're logging in directly through your bank's secure portal, not directly giving your credentials to the app. Enter your online banking username and password, just as you normally would when logging into your bank's website or app. Depending on your bank's security protocols, you might be prompted for an additional security verification step, such as a one-time code sent via text message or answering a security question. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this step. After successful login and verification, you'll see a list of your accounts at that bank. Select the account you want to connect to the app. Finally, you'll see a summary of the permissions the app is requesting from your bank account. Review these permissions carefully. This might include things like viewing your transaction history or account balance. If you're comfortable with the permissions, tap the Grant Access or Allow button to complete the connection. And that's it. You've successfully connected your bank account. Using Plaid, you should now see your bank account reflected within the app. Enjoy the convenience of seamless and secure transactions.